Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across a generic Bluetooth driver is missing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Device Manager. Best result should come back with Device Manager, so go ahead and open that up. You want to select the View tab, and then you want to select where it says Show Hidden Devices. And then once you've done that, if you double click on the Bluetooth entry, any hidden Bluetooth drivers should be available now under this list. If you're still not seeing it, you may want to close out of here. And also make sure your Bluetooth device is turned on and connected to your Wi-Fi. Make sure your computer is not in airplane mode, your Bluetooth device is not in a similar state. And then once you've done that, go ahead and see if that perhaps resolve the problem. We can also run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. So open up the search menu, type in troubleshoot. Best match will come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, you want to select other troubleshooters. And then underneath other, select the Bluetooth troubleshooter and then the run button. And you can see it did actually repair an item in here. Go ahead and close out of here. And now you want to open up the search menu, type in services. Best match should come back with services. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select the Bluetooth support service and double click on it. Make sure startup type is set to automatic, and then if service status is stopped, you want to select the start button, and then you would select apply and OK. And then once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and restart your device. And there you go, guys. So hopefully I was able to resolve your issue. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.